Hello everyone, so I am here finally with a tutorial, and the two flowers we are going to make today is this one and this one, and I'm going to show you everything you need to make these. So I had a lot of requests after uploading this video showing you the wallet cards and how to make this really pretty flower, and it is so easy, you guys. That's why I didn't even bother to make a tutorial, but considering that there were a lot of requests, I decided to. Also, the next tutorial you will be seeing is how to make these wallet cards, including this accordion fold right there. And in case you missed that video, I will have it in the description box. Alright, so what you're going to need to make these flowers right here, I used this Hobby Lobby trim, and I know you're very familiar with it. It comes in like white, vanilla, this really pretty like light turquoise, pink, and even gray. So what I did was I split it right down the middle, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And for the backing, I'm going to use, I have two of them right here. So I have a 1.5 inch and 1.25 inch. I'm going to use the 1.5. So I'm going to use the 1.5 circle. So all I do is add glue, hot glue, as you can see. And then I place this part of the trim, and literally all I do is just go in a circular motion, and I'm going to do this in real time so you can see how fast this goes. So I'm not going to speed up the video or anything like that. And okay, so that's one layer. Okay, so now I'm going to start again in the inner part of the circle, and that will make it 2 layers. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do that, and then I'm going to stop where I originally started, which is, as you can see, the end right there. I hope I was in focus. And I'm going to stop right there, and I'm just going to cut that off. So I'm going to cut it right there. So I'm going to get that end, and I can continue and make a 3rd layer, but I'm just going to leave it at 2 layers. And look at that, you guys. That flower is done. Now I need is a center. So there are different options you can use. That's why I had brought these out. You can add like another flower if you wanted. Look how pretty that looks. Or what about these flowers are from Wild Orchid Crafts. I've been using these. I know I like these. This is a ring, literally, that I got from downtown LA. This is what they look like. You can see it right there. It's a ring. And let's see, this might look good. That looks good, but because I'm using this for a project, it might not work for the project that I want. But this is the one that I used earlier. Let's see, what about this smaller one? You know what, I'm going to use this smaller one. Yeah, let's do that one. That's what that smaller one looks like, but you know what, I think I'm going to use the bigger one because I don't like that it gets, so these two are the same, but this one is a lot smaller. And I think I like this one because you can see it better. Oh yeah, that is the winner. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a combination of E6000 and hot glue. So I have some E6000 on this like popsicle stick. I'm going to put it right down the center. And then I'm going to put hot glue on the end, just so it can help it while the E6000 is, you know, curing. It can help it stay down. And I'm going to try and center it. And there is the first flower. It's so pretty, you guys, and you can see how easy, and it didn't take very long. Okay, now the reason why I'm making two is because this is what it is, the trim that I used. But if you already have something similar to this I hauled it a while ago, and you don't have to cut it down the center like I did the one from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm going to make this one, but this time we are going to make a white one. This one right here that I've had in my stash is a little bit wider than this one, and let me show you the difference so you can see it right there. It's about a little bit over 1/4 inch, I say. See? And also this one has a straight edge, while this one, as you can see, has like a scalloped edge. So that's really pretty. So it is a little bit of difference. You can see the difference right there. So either way, I think both of them are really pretty. Also, let's see, this one is 2 layers, and then this one is 3. You can see right there, 1, 2, 3. These make a fluffier flower because this has the chiffon, and underneath it has like tools, see? And this one doesn't have that. All right, so now we're going to make one using this one, and this time I'm using a smaller circle because these are longer. I don't want my flower to be that big. So this is 1 1/4 inch circle, but obviously you can use whatever circle you have or just cut it out by hand. And I'm going to do the same exact thing I did. I'm going to do this, and I think that this time I will speed up the video. There is my flower, and I think this time I'll use this one. That looks so pretty. Also, other options you have, I've had, just look around your room or your craft area and see what other embellishments you have. I have these that I bought years ago, specifically to add at the centers of my flowers. So that will look really pretty. And these are also by Recollection, but I know you can make these your own. Let me show you what that would look like, and I think it would look really pretty. See? That would look, and especially if it matches your project, I think that would look really pretty as well. Also, now that I remember, there is this lady here on YouTube. I think it's Happy Bird's Nest. I think I'm saying her YouTube right. Anyways, she made these circles with glitter and I think that thick glue. I forgot what it's called. Anyways, I will link that tutorial down below. That is originally what I wanted to do, but I haven't gotten the chance to do that because you can make it in any color you want. And when I saw that video, I thought that those would be perfect for flower centers. All right, so for this one, I will use this right here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add E6000 in the center, and then I'm going to add hot glue around. Anyways, you guys, so I hope this video was helpful on how to make these really beautiful shabby flowers. I hope you all give it a try. You see how easy it was to make them, and if you do, let me know. I want to see what you make. And yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day, everyone. Bye.